Hello everybody, how y'all doing today? Welcome to my channel. I have a new thing gotta show y'all. I got something new. Here go my buddy right here. Be the puppet. But I got somebody new. It's his friend. Let's do it. Shout out to my channel. We need 500 subscribers on the channel. We need more subscribers. We need 4K subscribers on the channel. But let's get. I'm calling to get ready for let y'all know it's an unboxing. Another product I got. So let's start. Let's go to it. We have the Saw Billy Puppet Deluxe. And here you go. This is the new thing. This from Trick or Treat Studio. New Be the Puppet. I Want to Play a Game. And inside here we have this side. We got the back. You got the back. It's from the Trick or Treat Studio, see? Trick or Treat Studio. Let's unbox this baby. Let's unbox this baby. Let's unbox this. Okay guys, we're about to get it out now. Let's do it. Here you go right here. See that guys? About to take them out the box. Here we go. Here we go. We have it. See guys, we have it. See guys. I'll put a hell nail on. This hair is way better than the other hair that was on this one. It's better than the other hair was on this. This is a wig. The other hair I had to take it off. It was this on there, right? This the $200 one. This the one Trick or Treat Studio came out with first. They came out with this one first. This is the other one. And I put the wig on this one. And this is the new one. Oh, my bad. I dropped them. Oh, no. Look real nice. This hair is, I think they glued it on. But this is better hair. Much better. I can post them. Post his hands. We do like this. We post his hand like this. We bend his arm like he did the other one. His leg's not bending. His leg's kind of like the other one. His leg's kind of like the other one. His leg's kind of like the other one. This is slippers. There's new slippers. I like these. I like these better. I like the other ones. His Dorothy from Wizard Eyes. He got the Dorothy shoes. I wish they had. He had some other kind of shoes, but it's good. But let's check this guy out. We'll be right back. Let's put the batteries in him and see he works. We are back. Now let's see he works now. You ready? Let's go. I don't know why he ain't working. Let's do it again. Let's see one more time. Let's see if it works. I don't know why he ain't working. I'm back, guys. I'm sorry. I thought it would. I didn't have the switch was on. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3. There we go. See, guys? See? I'm gonna do it again. Let's do it again. See? Let's do it again, guys. Now we have both of them. See, guys? That's it. Thank y'all for watching my channel. Thanks for watching my channel, people. Thanks for listening to my channel. I have to get a bike for him, so I will have it. I will have a bike for him, and let y'all know, if you like this channel, give me a thumbs up and give me a thumbs down if you don't like it. Well, this is the end of the video. Y'all people have a nice Easter and a nice holiday, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Have a great day. Jigsaw say, Jigsaw said, he said, he said bye. He said see ya. Y'all have a great day. See you soon. Peace.